Hi, I'd like to talk about something we get calls about from time to time, and that's verification on the Leeb test block. So what you see I have here, it's a Proceq test block D. Both sides are calibrated for 763 HLD. So what we see is we have people calling up and saying, I can't get my Equotip to verify. It should be good, but it just isn't passing verification. Well, one of the first questions we ask is it on a solid surface? The reason we ask that is because the minimum mass required for a valid Leeb test is 11 pounds. Test block only weighs 7. So for it to read accurately, it has to be on a good solid support. This is a nice desk, but it's not a solid support, as you can see. So what I'll do, I'll just place it down here. I'll take 3 random hits across the surface, distributing evenly because the heat treatment doesn't always end up with a 100% homogeneous surface. And you can see the average of those readings is almost 769 HLD on a 763 block. We're right at the edge of verifying, passing verification. So I can get my handy dandy big chunk of steel. It's a little bit rusty, but for this it doesn't matter. All it needs to do is supply the mass to back up our test block. So now if we reset the data, same test block surface, we take 3 more hits, and there you go, 764.7 HLD. We're within tolerance by a comfortable margin. So remember that, if you're not verifying, not passing verification, check where your test block is, make sure there's no dirt underneath, make sure it's not wobbly. Good solid mass on a surface, and you'll be good to go. Till next time, happy testing.